Alright, so we're going to be using the Rayray Party Animal palette that I got in my August BoxyCharm. Open it up, and these are the shades. Really, really pretty. Trying to decide what I want to do. If I want to do like a mostly matte look. Alright, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do just a simple look. I'm going to go in with It's a Party. And I'm just going to stamp that all over my lid. I've already primed my eyes, by the way, with Makeup Revolution concealer. And I'm really just going to stamp this on and build this up. And as always, I did not set my concealer on my eyes. I like to have a tacky base so that the pigment can come out more in the eyeshadows. I'm just going to take this very small blending brush, the M562, and take a little bit of that color and just blend out the edges. This would be a really good palette to do a rainbow wing with also. Y'all know I love a good rainbow wing. So next, I think I'm going to take this shade right here, Karaoke, and start applying that as an eyeliner. And we're gonna wing it out, you already know. That looks pretty. To get the tail of the wing, I'm taking this E38 bent liner brush to really get that precise wing. And there's your wing. I really hate that the camera's not making it look like it does in person, because I really like the way this looks. That's a little better. It's just very simple, but like fun, you know? Alright, I got both wings on. If you don't already know, I'm obsessed with peacocks and peacock feathers. I'm just obsessed. So I'm feeling very like peacock-esque in this makeup look right now. I'm gonna come back and do the lower lash line after I do my face, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I am back. I'm ready to do the lower lash line for you. In case you just got here, we've been using the Party Animal palette by Rayray that came in this month's BoxyCharm. So far I've used It's a Party, this color right here, and Karaoke, this color right here. And then for the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna go in with Damage Control and Hungover. So first I'm gonna start with Damage Control. And the two brushes I like to focus with the lower lash line are the M168, this little dome shaped brush, and this flat definer brush, M432. First I'm gonna go in with the dome shaped brush into Damage Control and just buff that on in. Oh, she's pigmented. I think I'm going to take this flat definer brush right here and go into Damage Control, the same color we just used. And I think I'm going to connect it like so I can make a more dramatic winged out effect. I like that. Ooh, yeah. Yes. All right, and next I'm going to go in with Hungover, this purple color right here. Actually, I might leave it. I like the blue-green vibe. Yeah, I'm not gonna add that purple. I like this blue-green vibe we got going on. So I've only used this top row. Maybe the next video with this palette I can use the bottom row. Or if you'd like, I can do like a more fun look than this with all the colors in the palette. Let me know down in the comments if that's something that you would like. So I'm gonna take from the Subculture palette, I'm gonna take this shimmer right here called Electric. It's like this yellow shimmer. I'm gonna take it and pop it at my inner corner. I thought it would go with this look, you know? Ooh, it does. I'm gonna do the same thing to my brow bone. Just a little. This eyeshadow is more of like a This eyeshadow is more of a This eyeshadow is more of a glittery eyeshadow than a shimmer, I would say. You definitely need to wet it if you're gonna add it to your lid. But this is not from the Laura Lee palette, so. Using the same brush that I kind of buffed out the edges of the yellow with earlier, I'm not gonna add any additional product to it. I'm just gonna take it and run it on the lower lash line to kind of buff out that line down there. And if it adds a little bit of that green, then that's okay too. Yeah, I just wanted to like soften it up just a little bit. All right, and then using the same Subculture palette, I'm gonna go into this white shade right here, Cube, which is also like a little bit of, it's not a matte, but it's not a shimmer. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that on the tip of my brush and tap it right there. Ooh, yeah. Go put my mascara and lips on and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, I've officially got my full face on. I just put on mascara and I only used this Wander Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara and I really like it. I'm gonna get up close so you can see my lashes. These are my natural lashes. I actually like the way my lashes look, and I like this mascara. I didn't think I was going to. This is a good one. I don't like this little bottle tube, whatever this is. I don't like that. But I do like the product itself. So I'm gonna put that in my kit. It was in the July BoxyCharm. So yeah. Alright, so this is my finished look for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you liked my eye look. If you want, like I said earlier, if you do want me to do a video with the bottom half of the palette or with the whole palette in general, just let me know and I'll be happy to do that. And let me know if you got this palette or the Boss Babe palette by Laura Lee. Let me know how that one is. I do want to get that soon and see what the tea is. So yeah, that concludes this video. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!